Hey y'all, have I introduced myself to y'all? I'm Keisha, the Evolve Nurse, founder and creator of the Evolve Nurse podcast and platform. And so why did I create the Evolve Nurse, you ask? Because we needed a space to talk. Us as nurses, we normally don't have a space to talk about how nursing school actually was, then how nursing has treated us, but we also don't talk about the people that decided they no longer wanted to do nursing and they leveraged that nursing degree to become an entrepreneur. We talk about all that on the Evolve Nurse podcast and as the platform. But also, we collaborate a lot because we look at our patients holistically. So why not talk to the people who help collaborate with us? So we have a Bridging the Gap series that also features pharmacists, PAs, NPs, CNAs, and will continue to feature so many other people. But our platform itself, as a community building, we have so many different people in there, and you could be one of them. Go follow the Evolve Nurse and join us. Bye.